think something could be wrong. Oh, look at the damage. Oh, once again, I snapped the A-arm. This isn't the first time, and it probably won't be the last. But, yep, that's it for the Volcano 18 little run. Not much, because that run ended very quickly. Not a bad little truck. My dog bone. My camera will ever focus. Yep. Yep. That's it. Take you guys over to the box. It's Volcano 18. Why is my camera so blurry? Volcano 18 brushed electric. Sorry for that. Brushed electric motor, 1/18 scale, version 2. Sorry. Lithium ion battery. 4x4, waterproof. 2.4 gigahertz radio controller. Yeah, that's about it. So, snap the A-arm. Luckily I have another one. Yeah, I'll shoot you guys another video in the next episode.